As a therapist, the idea of documentation and note-taking can be daunting, but it is crucial for our therapy to be effective. If you are like me, I take brief notes during session, like tally marks or quick little notes to remember what happened during the session. Not that I want to forget, but sometimes I will. But these quick notes aren't soap notes. I have worked for so many companies, and one thing never changes. You need to document. But now we have AI, so what can we do with it? Now, there are some companies that have already created end-to-end encryption AI generative tools. Here are 2 examples I found. One is free, and it's not tailored specifically for speech therapy. It is called Aura AI Scribe, and it is by Insight Health. It does have the HIPAA-compliant approval as well as SOC 2. Briefly, SOC 2 is Service Organization Control 2, and it is a framework for managing and securing customer data. It is important for security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. The other is the AI Scribe by Commure. Also, not completely tailored to speech therapy, but in my opinion is pretty extensive as it seems to record your actual session and create notes off of that. I'm not a big fan, but also you have to pay. If you do wish to use some form of AI generative soap notes, please remember to take some form of notes. It just puts it all nicely in a template for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can't I just do this on ChatGPT? Yes. But since we deal with clients, we must abide by HIPAA regulations. And for students, we have to deal with FERPA. Overall, the biggest and most important thing to remember, besides doing the actual therapy, is safekeeping our clients' information and their privacy. So what does that mean? If you want to use ChatGPT for soap notes, keep these tips in mind. Do not input any identifying information. That means no names, no birthdays, no medical record numbers. Use ChatGPT only for structure, rewording, or template generation. Manually transfer AI-generated notes into a secure HIPAA-compliant system. Always review AI-generated content to ensure accuracy and alignment with client progress. If your workplace has a policy on AI use, follow it strictly. AI can be a helpful tool, but we must use it responsibly. Always prioritize security compliance and ethical documentation when incorporating AI into your workflow. So, AI can definitely make soap notes easier, but it's not a magical fix. It's a tool, and like any tool, it has to be used correctly and responsibly. Whether you choose a HIPAA-compliant AI tool or use ChatGPT carefully for structuring notes, always prioritize client privacy and accuracy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried using AI for soap notes? What's been your experience? Let's talk about it. See you in the next video.